to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Oh yes, Arman is here.
Hey guys, what's up?
What's up, Palak? What's up, Arman?
How are you?
Very good.
Very good. How are you?
Happy World Music Day to everyone.
Oh, happy World Music Day. All your fans.
What's happening? What are we discussing? What is the roundtable conference for?
This roundtable conference is for the mixtape season 3 that you guys have done with us and Amazon Prime Music. हम आज उसी की चर्चा करने वाले हैं और आपके फैंस को एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज देंगे एंड में एट 6:30 जहां हम अपना ट्रेलर लॉन्च करेंगे.
So सबको mixtape. This is called Mixtape Rewind, and called Mixtape Rewind. Palak, do you know the answer for this?
Mixtape Rewind? What's the answer?
Why is it called Mixtape Rewind? This is a bouncer question to Palak.
I can give the answer, like I can sing an answer. But I won't do that right now.
Okay, now we can't do that. I think towards the end we will reveal all of that.
No, I mean, I'm okay. If you guys want to sing and tell all your fans right now, because we have around 12,000 people, almost 11.5 thousand people joining us. So I think what's the best way? Let's start with this.
11,000 people who are this live. Happy World Music Day, and
Namaste.
I'm happy to be here with Palak and our amazing host from T-Series. Please introduce yourself to everyone out there. Can you hear us?
Yeah, everyone can.
Yeah. Please introduce yourself. There are 11,000 people wanting to know who you are.
They don't want to know me. They already know you guys. मुझे तो कोई जानना नहीं चाहता है. मुझे तो वो बोलेंगे कि भैया जल्दी जल्दी आगे बढ़ो, क्या कर रहे हो, अपने आर्टिस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस कराओ. So no.
No, but Special Live and T-Series mixtape have always been very awesome to be a part of. And me and Palak actually हम लोग का combo बहुत special है. हमने इतने सारे amazing गाने एक साथ किए हैं. तो this one I think is Palak, what do you feel? I think the fans will go crazy now on this one. I have a feeling. I don't know.
I think so. And जब भी अरमान और मेरा कोई भी गाना रिलीज होता है साथ में, I think people really love it. And इस बार बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ special है because दोनों गाने at least मेरे one of the favorite songs हैं, two of the favorite songs. And Arman is an amazing, incredible singer. और हमारी आवाज़ I think बहुत अच्छे से gel होती है. So I think that is the USP of our collaboration.
I think the coolest duet partners.
AM/PM.
AM/PM. It's always awesome to collaborate with Palak. I think she's just amazing. Her voice. I've been a fan of hers since like she sang the song called "Honge Juda Na Hum" with Amal.
Yes.
And I was. I used to come to the sessions just to see how a singer's singing in Amal's sessions. बहुत excited हूँ. Finally, me and Palak are doing something on mixtape together. And what is the agenda now? What is the agenda of this live? How are we live for?
So this live is actually to bring you all together on World Music Day.
Okay.
हमारे इस live का motive ही ये है कि हम आपके साथ mixtape की बात करें.
Okay.
जो हमने और Amazon Prime Music ने साथ में मिलकर बनाया है with Ahmed sir and Abhijit Rirani and the man himself, Mr. Bhushan Kumar. They've come up with the whole thought, and the whole baby is our baby. So it's the whole agenda of this live session is कि हम World Music Day पे आपके fans और T-Series के fans को एक तोहफा देना चाहते हैं. That is your trailer, which we will release at 6:30 p.m. today.
Awesome.
On YouTube and on our Facebook page.
So guys, one hour में we will get to see the trailer of T-Series mixtape Rewind, and उसमें snippets होंगे from our performance as well, mine and Palak's.
Yes.
We're super excited for that. So are we revealing the song right now, or what is it?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
we are revealing. So my next question is that what songs are you guys performing on? गा के दिखा दो.
You mention one, I'll mention one.
Okay, chalo. I will mention the first name. The first name is "Ae Mere Humsafar." This is I know my fans have been teasing them saying AMH.
Yeah.
AMRT. So पहला वाला जो है वो तो रिवील कर दिया मैंने, ए मेरे हमसफर.
Yes, AMRT. Okay, and the
AMRT.
song
Yeah.
is, I think a lot of people already
Correct.
guessed it when we put AMRD. So the song is Ab Mujhe Raat Din.
I guess the song in the beginning itself, yeah, this someone is saying. So yeah, so we're doing a mixtape or mashup of ए मेरे हमसफर and अब मुझे रात दिन. These two are iconic songs of their times, and Abhijit Wagani has put this together, and he's done a beautiful job with the arrangements and the production.
Yes.
And Amazon have collaborated on this one, and it's going to be huge in every way. So मैं बहुत excited हूँ. I think पलक हम लोगों को 2-3 लाइनें तो गानी
Correct.
पड़ेंगी.
Yes,
मतलब
of course.
the fans are really excited.
Are you
Chalo.
starting?
How do you want to start it?
One line
I'll
each.
start
So
with-
Arman, Palak, you can
Okay.
start, and then Arman can join.
कौन सा ए मेरे, is this fine?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, cool. ए मेरे हमसफर
सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की
अब
हम
हम
सफर एक जरा इंतजार
सुन सदाएं दे रही
है मंजिल प्यार की
अब मुझे रात दिन तुम्हारा ही ख्याल है.
क्या कहूँ प्यार में दीवानों जैसा हार है दिल
ऐसा हाल है
तुम्हारा ही ख्याल है.
Oh, that's ए मेरे
Heart,
हमसफर.
guys, all hearts.
So these are the two songs that we are mashing up together, and this is going to be part of T-Series mixtape. Mind AM into PM. Can't wait for this. This is going to be a special one. I think we are a little short on time, and the next guests are supposed to be live with us. Throwing it to you, Darshan and Prakriti. Lots of love.
That's
Happy
amazing. Thank you
And
guys.
उम्मीद
for
करते हैं कि
joining.
जितना प्यार अभी तक के गानों को दिया है आप सभी ने, उतना ही प्यार आप मेरे इस गाने को, अरमान के इस गाने को, हमारे इस गाने को दे.
Please, there lots of hearts. We want lots of hearts. We are hungry for hearts.
We are getting a lot of hearts. आपके सारे fans एकदम excited है. And yes, 6:30. See how these guys, how both of them are looking on our mixtape set. So thank you guys for joining. It's World Music Day, and happy World Music Day to you again. So now we'll have our next artist.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. See you.
Bye.
बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.